cold outside. Whew. It's windy. I should have brought a sweater, but I didn't think it would be this cold. Ugh. Yeah. I've seen Kelly. I know exactly how she looks like. I don't know how I remembered, because I saw her when I was 3. That's the last time I saw her. It's crazy. Wait, let me see. Let me run through it again. I think she's a Cocker Spaniel that's brown, has white all over her chest and feet, and she has a little bit of white on her head, and freckles on her above her nose, and freckles on her chest, and green eyes, and a bloody nose. Well, not a bloody nose, but I mean, like, it looks bloody. Yeah. Okay, yeah. We used to play together. I'm gonna walk home. Whoa! Ow! Oh. What the heck? Whoever did that is gonna get a spanking. Oh, my dog. This is so weird. Who is that? Are you okay? Ow! What the heck? That's Kelly! Oh my dog. Are you okay? Oh my dog, she's unconscious. Ugh, I gotta bring her home. Ugh, Jenny's gonna be so surprised. She's gonna love me.